Here's the news of the day for April 22nd of 2025.
Zenadrone is testing its AI-powered wildfire detection drone in California, using thermal and LiDAR tech to spot early fire signs and offer a cost-effective DAAS solution for high-risk areas.
Multinational United Nations command crews fly Black Hawks into the Korean demilitarized zone under 1953 armistice terms, balancing diplomatic dialogue with preparedness for emergencies amid ongoing tensions.
North Carolina National Guard's hoist-equipped helicopters executed 500-plus rescues during Hurricane Helene, spotlighting military-civilian collaboration in disaster response.
Ascendant signed an LOI with Philjets for 5 additional A-tier eVTOL aircraft, strengthening their partnership to tackle air mobility challenges across the Philippines Islands.
Electra raised $115 million to advance its ultra-short takeoff EL-9 aircraft, enabling regional mobility and military logistics from 150-foot spaces, with over 2,200 pre-orders secured.
Future Energy Global signed a letter of intent with Carbon Neutral Fuels to secure eSAF from a UK facility producing 25,000 tonnes annually by 2030. Aiming to reduce aviation emissions through long-term offtake agreements.
Phoenix Jet Cayman completed Asia-Pacific's first temporary jet registration in just 5 days, streamlining global aircraft transitions through Salitre Airport and CAACI support.
Black Hawk helicopters practiced precision water drops at Button Rock Reservoir, where Colorado agencies trained together to boost wildfire response and communication.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.